Shreyans Kumar and Derek Weberin. The consideration and passing of the Commission for Air Quality Management in the National Capital Region and adjoining areas Bill 2021 to replace an ordinance. 3 hours to be discussed together. The statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services Ordinance 2021, number 7 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India, admitted in the names of Sri Anmaram Karim, Sri M. Shanmugam, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, and Sri M. V. Shreyans Kumar. Consideration and passing of the Essential Defence Service Bill 2021, 3 hours to be discussed together. And then the statute resolution seeking disapproval of Indian Medicines Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 5 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 22nd April 2021, admitting the names of Sri Sikthi Singh Gohel, Sri Anmaram Karim, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Vinay Viswam, and M. V. Shreyans Kumar. Consideration and passing of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill to replace an ordinance, 2 hours to be allotted. Ministry of Parliament Affairs will inform the distribution of time between 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the same. Consideration and passing of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill to replace the ordinance. Consideration and passing of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021 has passed by Lok Sabha, 3 hours. Consideration and passing of the Inland Vessels Bill 2021 after it's passed by Lok Sabha, 2 hours. Consideration and passing of the Coconut Development Board, 1 hour. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Supplementary demands for grants for 2020, 21-22, demands for excess grants for 17-18, 5 hours to be discussed together. The committee also recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. and as and when necessary for the transaction of the government, legislative and other business. I have to inform members that letters have been received from Sri K.G. Kenya and Sri Oscar Fernandez for grant of leave of absence on medical ground for entire sitting of the current 254th session of Rajya Sabha. Do they have permission of the House for remaining absent for the period requested by them during the current 254th session of Rajya Sabha? Yes. Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement regarding government business and also the Minister for Parliament Affairs.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 26th of July 2021 may consist of 1. Further consideration and passing of the Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Consideration and passing of the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 3. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Ordinance 2021.
Please.
Number 3 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 4th April 2021. And consideration and passing of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 4. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Ordinance 2021, number 4 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 13th April 2021, and consideration and passing of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Bill 2021. 5. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services Ordinance 2021, number 7 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 30th June 2021, and consideration and passing of the Essential Defence Services Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 6. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. That's number 5 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 22nd April 2021, and consideration and passing of the Indian Medical Central Council Amendment Bill 2021. 7. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021 of 2021, number 6 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 16th May 2021, and consideration and passing of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2021. 8. Consideration and passing of the Coconut Development Board Amendment Bill 2021 after its introduction. 9. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. The Inland Vessels Bill 2021. 2. The Factoring Regulation Bill 2021.
Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, I will come to you.
Sir, I move that Dr. Shantanu Sen, AITC, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha yesterday, the 22nd July 2021, by snatching the copy of the statement from the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, tearing and throwing it towards the chair, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House.
Motion moved. Those in favor say yes. Those who will say yes, no. Yes, approved. Dr. Shantanu Sen stands suspended for remaining part of the bill. For the remaining part of the session. Suken Sekar is saying something, please. If others sit down, I can allow you. What is your point of order, please? Please, bite jaiye.
1 second.
I have called him.
Sir,
Please sit down.
before I come to my 267 notice, the way the motion has been
Shantanu
moved...
Sen, you have to withdraw from the House.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, I am coming to you.
May I submit?
Please.
You have allowed the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion suspending Mr. Dr. Shantanu Sen from the remaining part of the session. But the matter is not in the list of the business, number one. So we did not have any opportunity to react on that, because whether the government is moving such motion, we are quite unaware of it. Because it was not included
What is
in
the point of order?
It was not included in the list.
No, I have approved it.
You may approve.
to me.
You may approve it without...
No, it is a question of dignity of this House.
Sir.
If you have any other point of order, please.
Sir, I am giving point of order. Look at the rules
Please.
regarding list of business. Regarding list of business.
Yeah, please.
1 second, please. 1 second, please. Please come to Rule 180 at page 55. Yes. But don't read the rules. That's the problem.
Please, no commentary between
Sir.
people. Both sides.
List of business. List of business.
Chapter 23.
Huh? Rule? 1 second. Wrongly mentioned here. List of business.
Sukenji.
Sir, please, sir, please. When I am raising it has some substance. List of business. Page 55.
You go through it and then raise it. Meanwhile, I would like to inform Sri K.C. Venugopal. I am giving more opportunity to you. Yes. I agree with you. Yes. Yeah. No, Mr. No, please, I have not given you permission. I am hearing you.
Every day, 0 over. This is the only prerogative that has been taken away for all these 4 days. And today, Friday, private member day. And this private member day, our rights should not be deprived, should not be taken away by some members.
Right. No, please don't raise your voice. No. You have raised your hand, I have noticed it. I have to answer what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said. The minister has made a statement. Members have a right, as per the president, to seek clarification of the minister. I will talk to the minister, the concerned minister and leader of the House, and fix time for giving clarification on the statement made by the minister. Then, yes, that's what I am saying. That is only what I am saying. Yes, these members, please, Ramesh, that's what I am saying. Allow the House to function, and then minister has to be told that there are going to be clarifications, and will be. No, please. You can't go on making running commentary, Mr. Ramesh. Please sit down. What is Mr.